courtesy of UniWigs. This is a cute little box that the wig came in. They sent over a full lace wig, so I'm actually super excited to share with you guys. When you open it up, you get your beautiful wig, which I've already done this intro, but I'm not sure. I think I lost the clip, so we're going to redo it. But when you open up the box, you have a little tissue paper here. And it also tells you, it has our logo and all that great stuff on it as well. And then you get some wig caps, the netted ones. And then you also have a tag that was attached to the wig. Again, I've already shown this wig, so it's already been out of the packaging. But I chose this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous burgundy color. This is a full lace wig, so I'm super excited. I'm always excited when I get full lace wigs because I feel like those are the ones that give you the most versatility. You can get basically you can get the most bang for your buck out of it. What's different about this wig is that it came with no nothing on it. So you guys know with pretty much every wig that I share with you guys, I always show you the inside of the cap. So with this one, as you can see, it's a full lace wig. You have lace all the way around the front, all the way around the back, and even here this looks like cap, but if you flip it over and go in between, let's see if we can get in there, it's lace, and it's like actually like pretty stretchy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but when you part it and all that, you're gonna get lace all the way down the center, literally everywhere. So I think that's awesome. But what is missing is you don't have any adjustable straps, which makes me a little bit nervous. I think this is the first wig that I didn't have any combs, any adjustable straps, or anything to work with. It did come with some combs. I did put them already away. So we're gonna see how this works. I'm gonna put it on and show you guys what it looks like, and then I'm gonna add adjustable straps, and we're gonna try it back on again and see where we go from there. So here I am trying the wig on for size. It's always a great idea to try your lace on before you cut the lace off, because you can see exactly how it's shaped and everything like that. Now let's jump into it. So, progress update. I went ahead and added an elastic band, and then I also added a comb in the back. Really scary because there is no adjustable straps back here, which makes me kind of nervous because I'm used to the adjustable straps, you know, kind of keeping it tight back there. But hopefully this will work out well because I don't plan on bonding it. So let's just see. So the wig itself, I don't know if you guys can see, I cut off a bunch of the lace because it was like down here, so I cut a little bit off, and then I also cut off all the lace in the back. Excuse my kitchen, but as you can see, even with the elastic band and the adjustable straps, you definitely, if you want it to be a glueless lace wig, you definitely need the adjustable straps to make that cinch in and hug the nape of your neck. But if you're someone who loves to bond the back of your wigs down, this is perfect because it's gonna lay flat without that gathering, so that it can come up super perfect. I'm not going to be bonding it down today, but it's not thick and bulky back here to where this looks bad. It's just that I won't be able to lift it up into a ponytail or bun because you will be able to see that. But again, if I was going to use my Ghost Bond or my Got To Be Glued, I would be able to lay that super duper 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 flat, and it would be seamless. Like if you see on Instagram the people who like stylists who lay and slay these wigs super well to the back, I'm pretty sure these are the type of full lace wigs that they use because it lays so amazing. So now I'm just going to cut off majority of the excess lace. I did not bleach the knots because I was not sure exactly how I was going to make this work. So here I am continuing to cut the lace off. Cut it as close as possible. You can see the lace here is a little bit lighter than my skin. If I bleach the knots, it'll blend perfectly. Or you can go ahead and tint the lace. I have tutorials linked below on how to do both. So progress update. I'm looking uber crazy, but I went ahead and did the pull method and kind of tweezed out the hairline a little bit. Not too much. I could definitely go back in. So probably off camera what I'll do is I'll go in and formally bleach the knots, just for a more seamless effect, and then I'll go ahead and bleach the knots once that looks a little bit more realistic. But I've tried a new method. Well, it's not new to you guys or to the world, but it is new to me. I use the Got to Be Glued blasting freeze spray. This spray is popular. I've had it since forever, but I went ahead and used this instead of the actual Got to Be Glued gel to glue or tack down the secure the lace, basically to secure my lace, and it worked amazing. Like, I didn't go in and like do 2 or 3 layers. I literally just tweezed out my hairline, cut it short like baby hair, and then at that point I thought, like, wait a minute, let me see if I can go ahead and make this lay flat just with the spray, and it actually did work, which I'm super happy about. Again, it will look so much more realistic if the knots were bleached, but we're gonna go ahead and actually use a powder, but I'm gonna wait and do that last. But yeah, it's like it's not going anywhere. The only, but it is pretty short. I think I requested a 16. It's either 16 or 18. I'll have the exact length in the description bar for you guys, but I'll show you guys really quickly. Down the center, there's so much body in this hair that it just moves like crazy. But if you can see that, beautiful. It also helps when your parting is on point. I kind of want to leave it down and kind of just do a flip over. But I feel like when you have a full lace wig, it defeats the purpose of a full lace wig if you just wear it down with no part, right? So maybe I'll do like half up, half down. Hopefully you guys can see that. No matter where I part the hair, I'm gonna get lace. Super pretty. So as you can see, this is the look I came up with. Some really cute braids. I did French braids on both sides. Originally, I kind of wanted it to show the parting because this is a full lace wig. So I wanted to kind of give that exposed parting and utilize as much as possible. But I kind of liked it going kind of sideways where you can still see the braids or the length of the braids from the front, opposed to going straight back. And I like the way it came out. You can go ahead and like pull it apart to make it like super big if you want, and this will make like much more of a dramatic effect. I like it the way it is, especially because I probably will wear it like this for the next couple of days, so it'll loosen up over time. But I like it like when it gets super loose up in here, and it'll look really really cute. I just want to leave it kind of done for now, but definitely go ahead and tweeze out the hairline if that fits you. Now I'm just taking a little bit of powder. I say this all the time, but if you find that your foundation powder or your concealer isn't working, go ahead and try and find like a eyeshadow palette that has a bunch of neutral colors that are similar to your skin tone. For example, like this one, I'm a brown girl, so it's a ton of there's a ton of different shades of brown in this one, which makes it perfect to find, you know, your perfect shade. And as the seasons change, you'll find like shades for the transition and stuff like that, so that in the case of like now I don't want to bleach my knots, I can find something that'll help the hairline to blend. Also note, you can kind of see that the wig cap starts like right here. This is kind of the reason, or not the kind of reason, this is the reason that a lot of people will do that stocking cap method, because you know how you bring it up in front of your hairline and then you put the got to be glued, let it dry, and you cut off the excess. That's going to prevent that look. It's basically going to make it seamless so you cannot see that. But since I did not do the stocking cap method, I'm going to try and camouflage it with a little bit of powder, and then on another day I'll do the stocking cap method. Let me know if you guys want to see me do the stocking cap method. I know it's been super popular here on YouTube and I have yet to do a tutorial. I guess I'm just kind of one of those people, like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I've never tried it because I've been happy with the way I do things as is. It is a little bit orange and it looks a little bit bright on camera, but I'm definitely going to blend that out. But yeah, I'm absolutely in love with this unit. I definitely would recommend going higher in the density if you can, because it is a very natural, thinner wig. If you want your wig full, especially like if you want to do like big curls and stuff, I definitely would go higher in density. But if you plan on wearing it straight or doing 2 French braids or like in a ponytail, this is absolutely perfect, especially because it's getting warmer outside, so you don't have to worry about it being, you know, too big or too heavy. You can still pull it back into a ponytail even with the braids and it looks super cute. You can make it into a bun, you can pull it up into a high ponytail. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out to UniWigs for sending over this beautiful wig here. I'm absolutely in love. Great way to kind of transition and kind of give yourself like a different little look, but still kind of subtle. I'm actually getting a little bit better with my braids because I'm horrible with French braiding, but I gotta tighten up and get my braiding skills on fleek because my daughter will need me to be doing her hair, keeping her hair fly pretty soon. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out UniWigs. I have all of the information as well as a link to this full lace wig in the description bar. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, turn on your post notifications so you'll be alerted as soon as I drop some new heat for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.